Um, hello? Oh, I'm sorry. It seems like someone might be trying to contact you, and I thought it might be good to answer them. Of course you don't have to. It might not be important, but, well, it could be, so I thought I would let you know. Sorry, I hope I wasn't interrupting anything. Sorry.
I got the E to the Y-U-P and an N-O-P-E when I disagree. Ain't no other pony with the poise like me. I got wisdom, I'm a lesson in subtlety. I'm Macalicious. E, yup.
Pinkie Pie, hello! And I am here to say, how you doing? I'm gonna make you smile and I will brighten up your day. It's
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh!
Yay! Hello? Oh, I'm sorry. It seems like someone might be trying to contact you, and I thought...
All right, wake up now, Sugar Cube. You got plenty of things to do today. You wouldn't want to get behind now, would you?
Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie, hello! And I am here to say, how you doing? I'm gonna make you smile and I will brighten up your day. Pinkie Pie, hello! And I am here to say, come on every pony, smile, smile, smile. Fill my heart up with sunshine, sunshine. All I really need is a smile, smile, smile from these happy friends. Forgive me if I withhold my enthusiasm. Forgive me if I withhold my enthusiasm.
Sword with sharpness too. Look, that zombie's got one too.
The moon is mine, and it's here to stay.
Been dreaming, I've been waiting to fly with those great ponies. The wonderful, their daring tricks, spinning round and having kicks. Perform for crowds of thousands, they'll shower us with
Sword with sharp.
I'm not whining, I am complaining. Do you want to hear whining? This is whining. Oh! Hashtag Rary.
Sword with sharpness too. Sword with sharpness too. Look, that zombie's got one too.
What?
Out of bread, what do? I'm low on hearts, this is my doom. I don't even have a tool. Come on, button, play it cool.